Welcome to my channel. There are several different types of Himalayan salt body scrub available, each with its own characteristics, advantages, and costs. Please read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. M3 Naturals Himalayan Salt Polish Body Scrub. Enjoy the best exfoliating experience not only as a body scrub but also as a facial scrub, lip scrub, hand scrub, or foot scrub. Moisturizing and rich in antioxidants, our Himalayan salt with lychee oil will help restore your natural skin while scrubbing away unwanted toxins and dead skin cells. Exfoliating and moisturizing polish. Infused with collagen and stem cell, our Himalayan salt will take your skin regimen to the next level, providing a boost in natural collagen production and increasing skin cell longevity. A powerful combination including grapeseed oil that delivers unmatched anti-aging skin results. A must-have scrub for all ages. Whether you choose to use our natural Himalayan pink salt as a body scrub or face scrub, our unique blend of ingredients will help reduce the appearance of acne, cellulite, blackheads, wrinkles, fine lines, dark spots, shaving bumps, stretch marks, scars, spider veins, blemishes and more. This skincare product is the perfect bonus to your pedicure kit for an at-home foot spa to enjoy yourself or as a relaxing gift. Spa quality results. Detox and polish your skin by gently removing unwanted toxins from your pores, adding moisture, and balancing systemic pH. A top-quality pore minimizer that revitalizes healthy skin and works to maintain glowing results. Replace your unwanted skin scrubbers with your new favorite body exfoliating scrub. Made in the USA. M3 Naturals is proud to provide men's and women's beauty products with the highest quality natural ingredients that are not only cruelty-free but made right here in the United States of America. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.